dark, I feel like home. Take my skin of the signal, pull it tight until it's true. Say my name like a trigger, and I'll do what you do. You taste like trouble in a clean white lie. I'm the ache you keep behind your eyes. You say be good like it's a loaded prayer. I say come closer like I don't care. No more saints, just what we are. If you want devotion, take it raw. If you want confession, break my jaw. I'm not your angel, I'm your need. Push the button, watch me bleed. Take my skin of the signal, wear it when you feel alone. I'm your sin and your symbol. In the dark I feel like home. Take my skin of the signal, pull it tight until it's true. Say my name like a trigger, and I'll do what you do. I'm the faith you fake, I'm the love you steal. I'm the hand on your throat, making silence feel real. And I hate that I crave it, but I crave what you made. Take my skin of the signal, wear it when you feel alone. I'm your sin and your symbol. In the dark I feel like home. Take my skin of the signal, pull it tight until it's true. Say my name like a trigger, and I'll do what you do. Crossing it still. If God has a price, I'll pay with my will.
Take my skin of the signal, and leave me to heal.
Your touch, your touch. Touch me like a secret, break me like a rule. Hold me when I'm wicked, make me feel it cruel. Touch me like a secret, say it like the truth. I'm down on my knees now. reflection.